In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete tables in ClickUp. So if you had inserted tables in your task and you'd like to delete the whole table, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you hover over your table, you'll see we have options here to either delete rows and columns. And this is for rows and this is for columns. However, we want to delete the whole table. To do that, just hover outside the table and you should see an option out here. So if you click on it, this will give us an option to delete the whole table. So if I click on delete, now you can see the whole table has been deleted. So that's how you can delete tables in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.